How to fix Google Play games not working on PC. Now in this quick video, I'm going to provide you a brief troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix if your Google Play games is not working while running it on your PC. So there's actually a lot of things that we can do, but for now we will try to focus more on optimizing all the graphics as much as possible. So you'll just have to close this first, and then from the Google Play Games icon, you just need to right click and then go into properties. Now in here, just go into compatibility. And then if you're running some issues or glitches on the client itself, you can simply run compatibility troubleshooter and it will automatically fix by itself. If not, then you can choose on run this program compatibility mode for the current Windows that you're using. You scroll down, choose on disable full screen optimization, run this program as an administrator, apply, hit on OK. But before opening the client, you just need to restart your PC first, and you can go ahead and log in into Google Play Games software. And those are the things that you can do for you to fix Google Play Games not working on your PC.